it's done! I like pizza!
It's bell pepper. Yeah. Which color is this?
It's green!
Good job. We have to put an oven this side. 4. Where is 4? 4. Yeah, good job. Thank you. Thank you.
Like that.
Okay, let's put first bell pepper.
Pepper?
Yeah. No, this is tomatoes.
Pepper?
Here, this one.
Pepper?
Yeah. More. Which color is this?
It's green!
Good job. This is tomatoes. Good job. Which color is this?
It's red!
Good job. Good. Now,
This one.
onions. Which color is this?
It's purple!
Good job.
Right there!
Yeah. Can you shake it, shake it, shake it? Yeah. More. You like more or you like less, Ragno?
Yeah, that's a one of us.
This is more? Okay, I think this is enough. Thank you. Salt?
Salt?
Okay, let's go for salt. Which color is this?
It's white.
Good job. Now we have to mix it.
This is pizza oven as well.
Yeah, it's pizza. It's gonna be a bread piece. Just for breakfast.
Yeah, but Mama had breakfast.
Okay, let's put bread here. Why?
Maybe eat them.
You want to eat? Oh. Oh no. Can we take another piece?
Okay.
Okay. Go take that one. Okay, good job. Now, can you put... Yeah, let's make a pizza. Put this one. Oh no! Oh no! We can put a little bit here. And little bit here. Like this.
Like this?
Yeah, do it. More. Let's make a cream, and then put cheese. Cream, going for a cheese. Yeah. And here. More?
No more.
No more?
No.
All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it here.
Oh, I hate to take it. Okay.
Help Mama.
Yes.
And this one.
Alright, I'm gonna help it.
Like this way. Can you help Mama?
Yeah, I'm explosive.
Okay, good job. Now we have to put an oven this side. Okay. And this one 4. Can you put this on 400? 4. Where is 4? 4. Yeah, good job. Thank you. 450.
450.
Yeah.
Wow, it's done. I like pizza. Thank you for making pizza.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Bye.